Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be going through the May auction results for trucks. Thanks for joining me. If you watch the channel, you know that I buy and sell cars. Sometimes I fix them up, flip them, make a little bit of money. Sometimes I don't. Kind of depends on the vehicle and the market. And I purchase these through a variety of sources, sometimes Craigslist, sometimes Facebook Marketplace, like I did with my Mercedes. And I'll put a link for this in the description below. And then I also purchase through online auctions. And my favorite online auction website is KBid. I do buy and sell cars through that website. And again, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the auction results for the month of May on the truck market. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so starting out, we have a 1998 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71. It's an extended cab. Has 231,529 miles, a 5.7-liter V8 engine. It is four-wheel drive and has an automatic transmission. Now, I did have one of these about 10 years ago or so, and I did really enjoy the truck. Wouldn't mind having another one, but I'd want something in a little better condition. This one sold. No reserve. It went for $520. Next, we're going to look at a 2007 Chevy Avalanche. This one is an LTZ. It has 179,336 miles. It's a 5.3-liter V8, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. And this one sold for $3,575. The next one is a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500 work truck. It's an extended cab, has 175,154 miles, a 5.3-liter V8 engine. It is four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. And this one sold for $3,125. Then we've got a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500. This one's a crew cab. It has a topper, 213,457 miles, a 5.3-liter V8 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic. And it does have some body damage. This one sold for $1,350. Then there's a 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500. This one's a crew cab, 227,814 miles, 5.3-liter V8 engine, four-wheel drive, and automatic. And this one sold for $2,800. Now we have a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT. It's an extended cab. The description says it has 83,891 miles. However, it says not actual miles. 5.3-liter V8 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and it also says it's a prior salvage. I don't like prior salvage vehicles. This one sold for $7,500. All right, then there's a 2005 Ford F-150 XLT. It is a crew cab. It has 169,867 miles. It's a 5.4-liter V8 engine, four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. And this one sold for $999. And there's another 2005 Ford F-150 XLT. Extended cab, 231,884 miles, a 5.4-liter V8 engine, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission, and that sold for $1,575. Next, we have a 2005 Ford Ranger. Extended cab, 132,238 miles, a 4-liter V6 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and that one sold for $2,550. And there's a 2007 Ford F-150 Crew Cab, 163,826 miles, 5.4-liter V8 engine, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. And this one sold for $3,575. And there's another 2007 Ford F-150. This one's an XL, extended cab with a topper. It has 138,622 miles, a 5.4-liter V8 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and it sold for $2,200. And we've got a 2012 Ford F-150 XL regular cab, 164,235 miles, a 3.7-liter V6 engine, four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. And this one sold for $3,825. There's a 2013 Ford F-150 XLT. This is a crew cab. It has 163,254 miles, a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It's a four-wheel drive. It's gold color, automatic transmission, and it's sold for $7,700. And we have another 2013 Ford F-150 XLT. This one's a crew cab, 158,856 miles, a 3.5-liter V6 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and this one sold for $4,175. Then we have a 2014 Ford F-150 XLT. This is a crew cab, 192,874 miles, a 3.5-liter V6 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and this one sold for $2,476. Then we have a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. It's the SLT quad cab, 168,543 miles, a 4.7-liter V8 engine, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. And this one sold for $3,800. Then we have a 2016 Ram 1500, 128,270 miles. This one has the 3-liter diesel engine. It is four-wheel drive and has an automatic transmission. And this one sold for $15,250. And then next we have a 2002 GMC Sierra 1500. It's an extended cab, 219,000 miles. It is a 5.3-liter V8 engine, four-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. And this one sold for $525. And finally, there is a 1982 GMC K1500. Says there's 68,000 miles on the odometer. The engine has been replaced. It has 130,000 miles on the engine. Now this is a 5.7 liter V8. It is four-wheel drive and automatic. And I love these old square body GM trucks. They're just really nice. Now the bidding did get up to $10,000. However, the reserve was not met. All right, and that was the results for the auctions in May for trucks. If you like this type of video, let me know in the comments below, and I can obviously make more like this. I'm kind of doing a big stretch this week on the auctions, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.